Are you looking for a way to save money on chicken feed while giving your flock a major health boost? Stick around, because in today's video, we're diving into the world of fermented chicken feed. I'll show you exactly what it is, why it's a game changer for homesteaders, and how you can make it at home step by step. Let's get started. So, what exactly is fermented chicken feed? Simply put, it's regular chicken feed that's soaked in water and allowed to ferment naturally over a couple of days. This process introduces beneficial bacteria, much like what happens when you make sourdough bread or kimchi. Before we get started, here's what you'll need to make fermented chicken feed. A clean 5-gallon bucket or any container with enough space for your flock's needs. Non-chlorinated water. This is super important because chlorine can kill the good bacteria. Your regular chicken feed, crumbles, pellets, or whole grains all work. A stirring tool, like a wooden spoon or a stick. Start by adding about 2 to 3 inches of chicken feed to your bucket. Remember, this will expand as it ferments, so don't overfill. Next, cover the feed with non-chlorinated water. Make sure the water is 1 to 2 inches above the feed. This ensures everything stays submerged. Give the mixture a good stir once or twice a day. This keeps the feed evenly fermented and prevents any mold from forming on the surface. Place the bucket in a warm spot and let it sit for 2 to 3 days. You'll notice bubbles forming and a slightly sour smell. This is exactly what you want. It means the fermentation is working. Once it's ready, scoop out a portion for your flock. Make sure they eat it all within a few hours to avoid spoilage. And don't throw away the liquid. Use it as a starter for your next batch. Here are a few quick tips to make sure your fermented feed turns out great. Always use clean water and equipment. If you see mold, throw the batch away and start fresh. Experiment with the fermentation time. Some chickens prefer a stronger or milder flavor. Now you know how to make fermented chicken feed at home. Not only will this save you money, but your flock will thank you with healthier eggs and less waste. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more homesteading tips, and share your fermentation journey in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy homesteading!